How to dominate Google search ads fast. Are you looking to conquer Google search ads swiftly and make your business stand out? Stay tuned as we dive into strategies to elevate your ad campaigns and achieve top performance. Firstly, it's crucial to conduct thorough keyword research. Identifying high intent keywords specific to your niche can significantly impact your ad's effectiveness. Use tools like Google's Keyword Planner to identify these gems and focus on those that align with your business goals. Next, leverage ad extensions to enhance your ads. Extensions can improve your ad's visibility and click through rate by providing additional information, such as site links, callouts, and structured snippets. This addition makes your ad more appealing and informative to potential customers. Craft compelling ad copy. Write clear and concise headlines and descriptions that include your target keywords. Highlight your unique selling proposition to differentiate yourself from competitors and encourage user engagement. Optimizing landing pages is another crucial element. Ensure your landing pages are relevant, loading quickly, and mobile friendly. This helps improve quality score, a critical metric that affects ad rankings and costs. Set up conversion tracking to measure your ad performance. Knowing which ads drive the most conversions allows you to allocate your budget effectively and make informed decisions for future campaigns. Utilize A/B testing to continuously refine your ads. Testing different headlines, descriptions, and calls to action can provide valuable insights into what resonates with your audience, helping you optimize for better results. Lastly, monitor and adjust bids regularly. Stay on top of your campaigns, observing their performance and making necessary bid adjustments to maximize ROI. Remember, Google Ads is not a set and forget platform. Continuous monitoring and optimization are key to fast domination in search ads.